Hey Quentin, I thought this would be easier to explain 5 and 6 to you. So the problem is on 5 and 6, you have to find the area of the base. So you know the volume of number 5 is going to be 1/3 area of the base times the height. The problem is our base is a regular polygon. It's a regular hexagon in this case. So we have to use that 1/2 NAS. So it's going to be 1/3 times 1/2. The number of sides is 6. We have to find the apothem length. We'll do that in a second. And then the side length is also 6. The height of the pyramid here is 9, I believe that says. Okay, so to find the apothem, keep in mind all of those, are when you have a hexagon, you can divide it into those equilateral triangles. So we know that if I draw in that height, we know the side length is 6, right? So it means the short leg has to be 3 because we create at 30, 60, 90. And then the apothem has to be 3 radical 3. So that's why my apothem is 3 radical 3. After that, you can just multiply it all out. The same thing is true in number 6. Okay, so my apothem, because think about this right triangle right here. I'm going to draw it out larger. We know our side length, in this case, was 4, which means the short leg is 2, and the apothem is 2 radical 3. I hope that helps. If not, let me know, and I will call you and we can figure this out.